Hey everybody, welcome back. We've got an unboxing video again here. Finally got another piece. Here's the part number, in case you're wondering. There is a difference between this and the EG and DC. As you can see here, I've got one of my older ones that's in decent shape that I ended up replacing with a Moog because the boot ended up tearing. I didn't pay a lot for this, so it was cheap. And I just didn't feel like fixing it. So I just figured I'd go with Moog because I kind of really liked them at the time. So I kind of still do. They make alright stuff, but I'm ready for better stuff. So I got this, and I've been looking forward to this. And yeah, speaking of which, whenever they shipped it to me, I ordered this through Art of Attack. They put staples in it, which is fine because it definitely kept the box sealed. It's the original tape, but they were a pain in the ass to get out, which is fine, I guess. No complaints for the most part. But without further ado, let's get this unboxed and look at this sweet hardware. Man, I've been looking forward to this. So I need to sharpen it. Alright, here we go. Oh yes, beautiful. As you can see, I have my little pouch of stickers that I've accumulated. As usual, classy business card. It's kind of a felt matte card. So yeah, really nice. Set that over here. Gave me an Art of Attack white decal. Alright. Was not counting on that. That's a pleasant surprise. Unpoppable or nearly unpoppable bubble wrap. You should be ashamed. But I appreciate it. It keeps parts safe. Another ktuned sticker to add to the collection. And then let's see. Oh yeah, alright. Also included cotter pins, fresh ones. So yes, what we all came here to see. Oh, come on. Every time. This one-handed unboxing stuff's got to stop. Oh man, that is absolutely stunning. Good grief. Look at that. Then they put the hardware on bottom so that you can adjust it while it's on the car. I wonder if this is set to factory or if I'm gonna have to use my sweet little alignment tool here, because that's totally what it is. But it's the only thing I could really find that would fit in between and poke out with like relatively little. So ideally, we get a little bit. We can at least see how far off they are. Close this knife. See how far off they are from factory. And that's going to require me to remove some of this stuff off the counter. So give me one moment. Alright, so here we are. Got my sweet little alignment tool here. Let's see how close they are. Man, I'll have to get a better eye, but you know, you get the gist of it. We'll check it out, see how close it is, and I'll let you know. In my opinion, I mean, as long as it doesn't give it like positive camber, I'm not going to be heartbroken. But that looks like, that looks damn close. So, given this is at a slightly different angle, it's kind of this way. So, I mean, that is damn close. Maybe this one could go like in a little bit, just a little bit. Yeah, this one definitely needs to go in a little bit. That's going to have some positive camber. But anyway, I have 30 days left on my alignment that I got from the alignment shop, so I can go back after putting these on and get an alignment on the front end, and then the front will be squared up. So, worst case scenario, I gotta kind of, not drive it, but ideally, I will have already scheduled an appointment to go back and have the front end aligned, and then the night before or so, just put this on and make a video out of it. And hopefully I'll drop this video the same time that I dropped the other video. Maybe one day apart, just so everybody knows what's about to happen. And but yeah, this has been the unboxing, and I appreciate everybody stopping by. And I can't wait to get this on the car. I'm super excited. It's super beefy. Definitely going to be more rigid than, stamped steel. Not that there's anything wrong with it. It's just, I'm trying to eliminate all possibilities. So this is definitely eliminating the possibility of any kind of unwanted chassis or suspension flex. But until next time, I appreciate everybody. If you like this content, smash that thumbs up. If you want to see more content like this and other things that I've done, just browse through, maybe look at the favorites or most popular, whatever. And kind of get an idea if this is a channel you'd maybe like to follow. I don't post too often, so it's not going to be one of those where it's like, if you don't watch it every day, then, whatever. But anyway, hopefully everybody's being safe out there. And until next time, peace out.